Hey guys, it's Emily. Today on We Heart Nail Art, I'll be showing you how to do these super cute and springy chevron nails. Without any further ado, let's just get right into the tutorial. I started with Salon Perfect Sugar Cube as my base color. I only applied it to my middle nail, where I would be doing nail art next. I applied a quick dry top coat to avoid peeling up my base with my striping tape. I let that dry, then I cut off little pieces of striping tape and applied it in a chevron pattern. In my opinion, striping tape is a pain to work with, so I put it on off camera. I applied liquid latex around my nail so I could minimize the amount of cleanup I'd have to do. I used this little striper brush to fill in between the tape. I also pan a little dot of the polish I want to use onto a piece of scratch paper to dip my brush in. I started with this yellow polish, Work It Honey, by China Glaze, and filled every other space in. You can choose to do this with the polish brush, but the China Glaze brushes have really long stems, and I didn't want to get polish over the striping tape. I did the same thing with this gold polish, Girl on the Glow, also by China Glaze, and filled in the remaining spaces. You can find links to all the products I used in the description box below. Immediately after filling in the spaces, I started peeling the liquid latex and striping tape off. This will make sure the polish will have crisp lines and won't get all loopy and stick to the tape. I used an e.l.f. concealer brush for my cleanup. I just dipped it in a little bottle of 100% acetone and brush off most of the excess. You can also dab it on a paper towel to get rid of the extra so you don't overflow it into your nail art. I just rubbed it gently against my skin where the nail polish was, and it came off almost immediately. This also helps give your mani a clean, salon-looking effect. Then I added my quick drying top coat. I use INM-Out the Door top coat. This is my favorite top coat, even though I've only used like 3 others. For my other nails, I just painted it with the gold and yellow polishes. I didn't think it was worth filming all of them. After all that acetone, I used a little bit of Bliss nail oil to rehydrate my skin. I don't have a brush pen applicator, so I just squeeze a little bit out and use my cleanup brush to apply it a little on my skin. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this tutorial, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Also check out my Instagram in the description box below, as well as the We Heart Nail Art Instagram page. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!